Welcome to Tech Channel here, and today I'm bringing you a video about the iPhone 14 Pro from Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 14 Pro is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now in 3 colors. You guys have gold, space black, or deep purple color options there. 128 gigabytes of storage, and that's the only storage option that Metro offers for the iPhone 14 Pro. So you guys have front and back there. You guys will notice it looks like the iPhone 14. You guys know it looks like the iPhone 13 Pro from last year, but the front has a pill shape cutout this year. So you guys will see that there. That's where the dynamic island. That's what the dynamic island feature. So pretty cool there. Y'all guys have your triple camera system in the back. Camera for its Apple logo and whatnot. Right side has your power button. There's a closer look at the triple cameras on the back. And there it is, front and back again. Alright. It's currently on back order, so that's kinda interesting. So it is $8.99 if you guys need a new number. For retail price $9.99 for 128 gigabytes of storage. However, if you guys put your number of the Metro, y'all guys can get the iPhone 14 Pro for $7.99. So that is pretty cool there. So check it out. Great deal there. Features: triple 12 megapixel ultra wide plus telephoto camera lenses in the back. The all 12 megapixels plus 12 megapixel true depth front facing camera. 23 hours of talk time, 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion display. That's basically a 120 Hz refresh rate. Basically, it's 2556 by 1179 pixel resolution. Other features include 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, dynamic island, which is new, 48 megapixel main camera, cinematic mode, action mode for smooth, steady handheld videos, emergency SOS via satellite, all-day battery, splash water and dust resistance, iOS 16, of course, and 5G connectivity. iPhone 14 Pro captures incredible detail with a 48 megapixel main camera. Experience iPhone in a whole new way with dynamic island and always on display, and get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Discover the all new iPhone 14 Pro and unleash the power of T-Mobile's 5G network, tapping into extended range 5G for broad coverage and ultra capacity 5G for super fast speeds in more places. iPhone 14 quick facts. When will iPhone 14 Pro be released? iPhone 14 Pro will be released September 16th. So the iPhone 14 Pro is now available. Today is September 17th when I am recording this video. What colors are available for iPhone 14 Pro? You guys have 4 colors: space black, silver, gold, and deep purple. What are the storage options for iPhone 14 Pro? iPhone 14 Pro has 4 memory options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage. However, Metro only has the 128 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro, so they keep that in mind. If you guys want to check out an unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro, y'all guys can click right there. So pretty cool. Specs: y'all guys have a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, lightning port, of course. Connectivity options: Wi-Fi 82.11ax with 4x4 MIMO. I'm not sure what that is. Some network thing, I guess. Bluetooth 5.3. Don't know if that's a typo. Kind of interesting. I never heard of Bluetooth 5.3. Never heard of it. I'm pretty sure that's probably a typo. Y'all guys have NFC, voice over LTE, and USB A16 bionic chip. There is no external memory because it's iPhone. Wireless emergency alerts. So you guys have that. Hearing net compatibilities. Wireless network technologies: 4G, 4G LTE, and 5G frequencies. Weight: the iPhone 14 Pro weighs 7.27 ounces. The depth is 0.31 inches, height 5.81 inches, width 2.81 inches. Alright. What comes in the box is your standard stuff for the iPhone. You guys have the iPhone 14 Pro, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation. That is it. There is no charging brick in the box because Apple does not include chargers in their boxes anymore. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 Pro, now available at Metro by T-Mobile. It's $8.99. If you guys need a new number, full retail price is $9.99.99 for the 128GB version. If you guys put your number of the Metro, y'all guys get the iPhone 14 Pro for $7.99.99, which is a great deal. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.